The AT transmission malfunction warning in Mazda CX-5 models, primarily from 2013 to 2022, indicates a potential issue with the automatic transmission. This warning, often displayed with a gear icon, can trigger limp mode. Common causes include low or contaminated transmission fluid, which is the primary culprit. This often leads to solenoid failures and other issues. Faulty sensors or solenoids can also trigger the warning, especially due to heat-related wear. Torque converter issues, such as slippage or lockup problems, especially in stop-and-go traffic, can cause overheating. Other causes include electrical or software glitches and mechanical wear in high-mileage vehicles. Addressing this promptly is crucial to prevent further damage. Ignoring the warning can lead to costly repairs or even total transmission failure. The good news is that many cases are related to fluid issues. Start by checking the transmission fluid level and condition. Low or dirty fluid is a common cause. If low, top it off. Consider a fluid flush if it's contaminated. Reset the transmission control module by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. For software issues, check for Mazda OTA updates via the My Mazda app. If the warning persists, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve error codes, such as P0706 for a faulty transmission range sensor. Advanced repairs, like solenoid replacement, require a certified mechanic. Regular maintenance, including fluid changes every 30,000 miles, can prevent this issue. Mazda has extended warranties to 10 years or 120,000 miles for affected parts in some regions. OTA updates address TCM glitches.